Ever found yourself staring at your neon screen, something's not working, or you've got a burning question, and you think, where on earth do I find help? Yeah, me too. We've all been there, that moment of mild panic when your favorite show is buffering endlessly, or you can't figure out how to manage your subscription. In today's digital age, we rely on streaming services like Neon for our entertainment fix, but what happens when things go sideways? Well, you need to contact customer care, right? But how exactly do you navigate the labyrinth of online support? That's what we're diving into today. We're going to break down exactly how you can get in touch with Neon's customer care team so you can get back to binge watching your shows without any stress. First things first, let's talk about the most common and often the quickest way to get assistance, the Neon Help Center. This is your first port of call for a vast array of issues. Think of it as a digital encyclopedia of Neon problems and solutions. To access it, simply head to the Neon website and look for the Help or Support section, usually located at the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find a treasure trove of FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and articles covering everything from account management to technical glitches. Now, if you've scrolled through the Help Center and still haven't found the answer you're looking for, don't worry, you're not alone. Sometimes, you just need to speak to a real person. That's where Neon's contact options come into play. One of the most efficient ways to get in touch is through their online chat support. This feature allows you to have a real-time conversation with a customer service agent. You can usually find the chat option by clicking on a chat or live chat button within the Help Center. This is perfect for quick questions or when you need immediate assistance. Another reliable method is to reach out via email. Neon typically provides an email address specifically for customer support inquiries. You can find this address within the Contact Us section of their website. When composing your email, be sure to include as much detail as possible about your issue. This will help the customer care team understand your problem and provide a more efficient solution. Include your account details, the device you're using, and a clear description of the issue. For those who prefer a more direct approach, Neon also offers phone support. You can find the phone number listed on their website, usually within the Contact Us section or the Help Center. Calling allows you to speak directly with a customer service representative and get immediate assistance. Be prepared to provide your account details and a clear explanation of your problem. Now, let's talk about social media. While not always the primary method for resolving complex issues, Neon's social media channels can be a valuable resource. You can often reach out to them via direct message on platforms like Twitter or Facebook. They might not be able to solve every issue through social media, but they can often provide quick responses and point you in the right direction. Remember, when contacting Neon customer care, it's crucial to be patient and polite. Customer service representatives are there to help you, and a calm and respectful approach will go a long way in resolving your issue quickly. Before reaching out, try to gather as much information as possible. This includes your account details, the device you're using, the specific error messages you're seeing, and a detailed description of the problem. The more information you can provide, the faster the customer care team can assist you. So, whether you're navigating the Help Center, engaging in a live chat, sending an email, making a phone call, or reaching out on social media, Neon provides multiple avenues for you to get the support you need. Don't hesitate to use these resources. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.